Hello and welcome to the sessions on financial accounting. Before you start the journey of financial accounting classes, it may be useful and necessary to know that the accounting course that you will be studying here is not anyway different from what is being taught to a professional accounting student. However, the focus is different. You will be taught to be an user of financial statement rather than the preparer of the financial statement. Here you will not understand accounting as the process of recording the transactions, but here you will study accounting as a measurement process, measuring the business decisions, converting these decisions into financial statements, understanding the relationship between business decisions and financial statements. So throughout the course, your focus is understanding and using the financial statements. So most of the classes, we will be using the financial reports. So the learning to a large extent may happen by observing the financial reports of companies like Singapore Airlines, for instance, or maybe Singtel, for instance. For example, if you see annual report of any company, you will observe that there are financial statements like income statement. Okay? You will understand what is this all about. There are statements of financial position or balance sheet of a company. So, in fact, in the early stages of the course, you will start understanding the relevance of these statements like income statement, balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. It's important to understand there is a very rigorous process of recording the transactions, but it's equally important to understand that these three statements like cash flow, balance sheet, and income statement are interrelated and interdependent. And we will make an effort in this course to understand this relationship between the financial statements and understand the relationship between the business decisions and financial statements. At the same time, maybe as we progress, we'll also try to see the price of the share price of certain companies, though our focus will not be the price movement, but we'll make an effort to understand whether the financial statements can explain the fluctuations in the share price. So during this period of our study, we'll be visiting sites like Yahoo Finance, Google Finance, where we get information about the financials, which will have the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow. But at the same time, we'll also have a look at the share price to get an understanding about the link between the financial statements and the market. So all through the course, so therefore, our focus is not on preparing the financial statement, but understanding the relationship between the business decisions and the financial statement. Are we going to follow any specific textbook? The answer is no. I hope you are already aware that you are given an access to several books. So on and off, we'll pick up portfolio of chapters from portfolio of books. So there is no one specific textbook which we will be using in the course. However, we will fall back on some of the chapters of some books, the annual reports of certain financial companies, and the financial data in this type of sources like Yahoo Finance and Google. And throughout the course, my interaction will be through this blackboard. So as we move along, almost every session that we will have, most of the issues that we discuss in the class will be uploaded at this particular forum. So keep a watch on the blackboard. Observe certain annual reports. In fact, I would suggest it would be good if you can download an annual report and save it on your desktop. And keep a watch on the share price of the company that you'd like to understand more. And during the course, we will go through and understand certain frameworks in accounting which will give you an idea about the business decisions, financial statements, and the markets. Thank you very much. See you in the class. All the best.